First off, I want to thank my parents for all the support that they have given me. Miss Eliberta Salgado and Relay Salgado are my parents, and I'm very grateful for them. So les quiero dar las gracias a mis papá y mi mamá por todo lo que han hecho por mí, porque no fue un camino fácil y les agradezco todo que hicieron por mí. I want to thank my brother Ramiro and my sister Lizette as well for providing support, even though they had their own families to take care of. It was very valuable to me. And to all my friends and loved ones who were there when I needed them, it certainly wasn't an easy journey, but we got here and we got here together. And then to all my mentors who have guided me and provided support when I needed it, I just want to say that I'm extremely grateful and forever grateful, because not only did I do it, but we did it together. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ahmed Bakry. I'm graduating this year. It has been an extraordinarily long trip. I went through a lot, I've changed a lot, but I also reached far, far greater milestones than I ever thought possible. Today I'm graduating with a master's degree in law, and it wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for the everlasting help of my family members, my father, my mother, my brother, and my little sister. They all sacrificed dearly, and they all offered a lot. They offered their time and effort to make this day possible for me. For that, I'm eternally grateful, and moving forward, I will work hard, not for me, but for them. I met a lot of incredible professionals here at McGeorge, each of whom has helped write a page in my book in their own way. As I'm graduating, I couldn't be happier to turn the chapter and open up a blank page for whatever the future may hold. To McGeorge, to my family members, and to everyone who offered a helping hand along the way, I say this: thank you.
I would just like to thank my family and friends, especially my parents, for always telling me to put my education first and investing in myself. And I'd also like to thank my grandparents for their constant love and support and always giving me words of encouragement. And I'd also like to thank my boyfriend for helping me survive this roller coaster and believing in me a lot more than even I could. So just thank you for all my family and friends, and my wonderful, amazing kitty cat Salem, who's been the anchor for my sanity through this roller coaster of law school.
I want to take a moment to thank my friends, mentors, and family on this special day. First, I want to say thank you to my friends here at McGeorge. Thank you to Maysoon, Shireen, Cameron, Yuri, Kat, Vivian, Fernando, Daniela, Angela, and to many more for having a positive impact on my law school experience. I want to say thank you to my F45 family. Thank you to Alejandro, Eliana, Alexis, and Dan for helping me de-stress from law school and for always pushing me to be the best version of myself. I want to say thank you to my mentors, Cassandra, Professor Morales, and Professor Sprankling. Thank you for your endless support and guidance. I am truly grateful to have you as my mentors and for teaching me how to be a zealous attorney. I want to say thank you to my family members. Thank you, John, for always being a supportive friend during this process. To my sister, for always putting up with my craziness. I know I can be annoying sometimes, but I am truly thankful to have you supporting me with every step during this process. Finally, thank you, Mom and Dad. There are no words to describe how thankful I am for everything that you have done for me. I know this process was not easy, but having you both in my corner has helped me to be a better man and to keep moving forward. I love you guys very much, and thank you for everything. This is just the beginning.
I'd like to thank my mom and my dad, Lieber and Ghislaine Ceci, for all their sacrifice and for getting me here today. I'd like to thank my sister and all of my friends, you know who you are, for all of the love and support, all the endless crying, all of the late night texts and calls to get me through law school. I appreciate you all.
Thanks to my friends. Shout out Rafi, Eric, Tommy, Chris, Kiwi, Alan Tang. Y'all are freaking crazy. Ethan, Nick, Fahad, all of you guys in Anaheim Hills. It's been quite a ride and quite a journey. My cousins, my brother Kenneth, for being my first friends, thank you. My mom and dad, thank you for always believing in me and sharing my dreams with me. My professors, my mentors, my school, and those I've met along this incredible journey. Shout out Caesar, shout out Grace, shout out John Chang and Bobby Song, shout out Teresa Milligan. Thank you all for helping me out. My colleagues and peers who have gone through these difficult times with me, thank you. My dear partner, Malaya, for growing with me these past 2 years, thank you. And I'd like to give one special thanks to my late grandfather, Omwai, who was my motivation to stop waiting around and finally make the decision to take on law school and complete it after all of these years. Thank you.